Have you ever wondered how you can make money with Chat GPT? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on 10 fantastic ways to turn this AI tool into a money-making machine. First up, consider content creation for blogs and websites. Chat GPT can be your silent partner in generating unique, engaging articles on a myriad of topics. It's a time saver, a productivity booster, and a dream come true for content creators and marketers. Then, there's social media management. With Chat GPT at your fingertips, you can craft compelling posts, responses, and even full-blown social media strategies. It's an ideal companion for social media managers and influencers looking to engage their audience consistently. But the magic doesn't stop there. Chat GPT shines in the world of education too. It can help you create personalized learning materials, worksheets, and quizzes, enhancing the educational experience for students and tutors alike. And what about email marketing? Chat GPT can help you craft emails that don't just get opened, they get results. It's a tool that digital marketers and entrepreneurs can use to create content that truly resonates with their audience. If you're into video or podcasting, Chat GPT can also lend a hand in scriptwriting. It can help you structure your ideas into compelling narratives, saving time and amplifying your storytelling. For those who navigate the world of languages, Chat GPT can be a valuable ally in translation and language services. It's not a replacement for professional translators, but it can provide a solid base for translation work. Ever thought of using AI for event planning? Chat GPT can help you brainstorm ideas, draft agendas, and even write speeches for your next virtual event. E-commerce entrepreneurs, listen up. Chat GPT can generate creative, persuasive product descriptions that effectively showcase your products and boost sales. Customer experience can also be improved with Chat GPT. It can help draft responses to common queries, creating a base for automated customer support. Finally, for the creatives, Chat GPT can assist in drafting novels, poems, and short stories. It's a tool for overcoming writer's block, generating ideas, and exploring new genres. So there you have it, 10 ways to make money with Chat GPT. From content creation to customer support, from education to e-commerce, the possibilities are as limitless as your ambition. Remember, in the world of AI, the only limit is your imagination. Happy exploring!